Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. The word of the day is award, a fantastic B1 level verb that means to give a prize or recognition. It's a word often used to celebrate achievements, so let's explore it together. The verb award is all about giving something valuable to someone as a sign of appreciation or accomplishment. For example, you might say, the teacher will award a certificate to the student with the best project. It's a positive and celebratory word that fits perfectly into both formal and casual contexts. Let's explore some synonyms of award. Words like grant, present, and bestow carry similar meanings. For instance, the organization decided to grant scholarships to the winners, or she will present the trophy at the ceremony. These words also highlight the act of giving something meaningful in recognition of an achievement. Now, let's look at some antonyms. Words like deny, withhold, and revoke offer a contrast to the idea of award. For example, the committee decided to withhold the prize due to incomplete submissions, or the company had to revoke the honor after the investigation. These show the absence or reversal of giving recognition. In everyday life, you might use award when talking about ceremonies, achievements, or even informal acknowledgments. You could say, the school plans to award the best athletes at the end-of-year event, or the chef was awarded for her creativity in the kitchen. It's a word that celebrates success and spreads positivity. Here are a few more examples of award in sentences. The committee will award the winner a special prize during the gala. He was awarded for his bravery during the rescue mission. The government awarded the contract to a local business. You see how this word adds a sense of recognition and importance to these situations. That's it for today's exploration of the word award. We've defined it, explored synonyms and antonyms, and seen how it's used in everyday language. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this episode both educational and enjoyable. If you liked what you heard, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using the word award and share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you use it. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.